Hello everyone, my name is Alex Cormont, aka the French relationship expert. So this is my job, but I'm doing this video because I want to thank a lot the team of Sidewalker Daily, because they helped me improve my press media release. And it was an amazing process, to be honest. It was kind of an investment for me in the beginning. It was something that I wanted to do to also improve my branding. That one was the first thing that just blew my mind. Sidewalker Daily, you're so good with branding. You're just the best. So when I look at my press media document, I told myself, is it me? Really? Is it me? Is it my picture? Is it my brand? And so it gave me a lot of credibility. They just show me their quality in the branding. They created branding for me that was just awesome, that elevate my brand. And they also help me find the right content, the right numbers to be able to talk to different hotels, because I travel the world, I do inspirational videos, and I needed some places to partner with me. And you know what? I gained a lot of credit. They gave me good discount, free trips. That is just amazing. My next trip is completely free, which is for me as a relationship expert, something that nobody has done ever before. When I reach out to the hotels, for example, to the workshop places in France, in Miami, and also all around the world, because I'm going to Tahiti, and they approved me to do a book signing tour there and a little speech. Everything was for free, everything was like dedicated, and it's just incredible. So I wanted to thank you. I wanted to send you this video and to wish you all the best. Guys, if you are a coach, influencer, blogger, if you really want to get a document that will help you get deals with hotels, with companies, I don't know, with brands, if you want, what Sidewalker Daily is doing is just awesome. I've been through a lot of companies. I never received this quality of content. Nina, Clarice, Kingsley, you are just amazing. I really loved working with you. First of all, as I said, for the branding, because you impressed me, but also because of the value. So it was an investment for me. It was not cheap, but I gained back a lot of money, a lot of deals with hotels, with airlines, crafts, and also with places where I can do workshops. So that's the main thing for me. I wanted to do workshops and have places that can have me for free against visibility. And so, you know what? It is just incredible. So one more time, Sidewalker Daily, thank you so much for everything. I wish you all the best. And if you want to work with them, go for it. It's an investment, but you will get your money back for sure.